YouTube, what's going on, man? Listen, we've been off 3-day weekend, okay? We about to tap back in, but listen to this, guys. We got a market that's going to be in shambles at market open tomorrow, okay? The Russia-Ukraine tensions has kind of reached a boiling point. The futures are already down. Some are saying 500 points already, maybe a little more than 500 points. So what that means is expect downward pressure tomorrow, okay? And so listen, market crash is here. Ukraine situation helped usher it in. And so I need you guys to be prepared and get ready to do this for tomorrow. Number one, okay, now is a time, I often say, during these times, you go shopping, okay? All right, so listen, any play that is reaching your price target, okay? This is for my long-term investors right now, okay? And this is why so many of us over the years, you end up becoming a long-term investor because you go through so many ebbs and flows in the market. It sometimes ends up by default making you long-term, okay? I'm naturally a long-term investor because I've always played the long game. Short money just doesn't do nothing, man. When you come from the trenches, you learn really quick that fast money don't last money, okay? And so listen, guys, the long-term game is what I'm speaking to right now. You're gonna have some prices that plummet on tomorrow and throughout this week. And for some of you that have a longer term time horizon, that's trying to lead a corporate plantation, that's trying to build real wealth, you guys gonna have a chance to get some great companies at some very, very attractive low prices, okay? Pounce, remember, pounce on those prices that you see, especially as they are suppressed and pressed down throughout the course of this week beginning on tomorrow, okay? For everybody else, this is a chance to, if you have not got your ETFs, okay, VTI is my number one. I'll tell you guys the same thing every single day, every single year, okay? VTI is where the bulk of my wealth is built. During these times, you're getting it for 220 or below. You can't beat that. You just pile into it, okay? Pile into it. Your job is to put as much money as you can into it, and you rest and learn to rely on that. Last year it did 28, 29%, but you definitely gonna try to get your 7 to 10% per year on that kind of investment, okay? You wanna build that out. You wanna make sure that you are taking advantage of that, okay? And then again, not the market to try to really play your high risk plays unless they have very, very great prospects, okay, near term, okay? Meaning something like maybe we know the trend will reverse short term, or earnings may come up, something like that. You guys may can get lucky and take advantage of, but now is the time to build, okay? We're going shopping, but what are we shopping for? Quality, okay? This is not about quantity right now. This is about quality. So even if you guys focused on your favorite 1 or 2 stocks, I'm okay with that, okay? Because in a stock picker's market, you want to go for the best, okay? Many people are going to put out many different notions out there. CNBC going to definitely try to mislead you guys. I'm here to just try to add some proper guidance to what you guys may want to do and what you guys may want to be considering during this time, okay? So please do me a favor. Now is the time to either get your core positions established, okay? You need to make sure that you are buying some of the best quality, high quality companies, okay? We don't buy stocks, we buy companies, okay? They just happen to give out shares of stocks, and that's what you want to invest in because fundamentals matter no matter what the people say, okay? So then you want to make sure you're doing that. And then, as I often say, as often as I can, for my index fund investors, the ETF, I, again, always recommend, although it's some good ones, but VTI is the safe way to play it, okay? Don't hesitate to peek at the Qs while they're getting beat down, the QQQ for some of you that need to know, okay? But again, you gotta be playing a long game. You gotta have a longer term outlook and a longer term time horizon during this time, okay? We're not panicking, we're going shopping, okay? okay? And even if that means nibbling, even if that means dollar cost averaging, even if that means focusing on one stock at a time, okay? I know you guys, none of us are made out of money, okay? So I'm not expecting you guys to be making miracles happen, okay? But for what you can do, please consider doing so, but have a narrow-minded focus on one, no more than 2 stocks and or your ETF, okay? Listen, guys, it's going to get better. It's going to get better, yes, but it's going to get bad before it gets better, okay? And so you need to take all of that as it comes. Take the hand that you're getting dealt right now in this market. You guys didn't make the Ukraine and Russia situation boil over. You guys didn't make the market crash. You just got to pick up the pieces, okay? And you got to find what you want to be in and what you think is going to get you the best return for your investments down the road. Down the road always is 1 to 3 years minimum, okay? You always want to have a realistic time horizon, and then particularly you can put it out even longer if you need to, okay? Now, mind you, better days are on the way, so it won't be like you won't get no relief. I always talk to you guys about a bear market rally. Even in bear markets, for those of us that have been through a few, okay, you gonna get some rallies, okay? Not nothing that you banking on though, okay? When it's this much uncertainty, you want to understand that the trend is your friend. Plays will go down, but then Wednesday or maybe later day tomorrow, you might have some relief. Okay, we've been dealing with this Russia thing for quite some time now. At some point, that shock value is going to wear off. They're not going to keep being able to press the market down by hitting us with the same headline every single day to achieve their agenda. So just peep what's going on, okay? I don't want to put too much on you guys coming off a 3-day weekend. I'm just here to kind of help you guys get ready, to get geared up, to get back in the market and get back in the game and do what we do, okay? Listen, I won't hold you guys up, man. I look forward to seeing you guys in the Discord in the morning, but more importantly, still doing what we can to navigate this wild and crazy market, okay? Remember, guys, to embrace the grind, but enjoy the climb, all right? Won't be easy, but it'll be worth it, man. Make sure you stay hold of that. All right, listen, guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.